Hey, look, you've landed on AOE, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. And what a lucky thing you have, because if you are looking to sell on Amazon, which is what I was doing, and I was thinking, how am I going to do this? Because I've got no idea. I know I can, but how? And when I was looking at what they did, I was quite excited. So I got a link that I was able to download a free book, and you can do that. So the link will be down below. Yeah. And I hadn't even finished reading that when I decided that I was going to join. But let's go back a step, because my why is like everybody else's. I was in a measly income job and I thought I need to create something for my family and all that. So it's for income, but my really deep why is it's all about freedom. But if you decide that your why is going to be different, which it will be, then just swap out and put in your reason. Hey, how about a Vegemite cracker? So you can do that. And if you join Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you are going to be wrapped, because the community is really, really supportive, and they share lots. It's really amazing. So we share lots, and we meet every week online with our questions and answers, which is a really good motivation as well as a really good learning. And we share lots. Yep, just like I'm sharing now. And if you join, then you'll realize that you no longer have to start settling for peanuts. Would you like a peanut, Max? You can now start going for the chocolates. So, how about a chocolate? No chocolate for you, mister. So, if you want to join the online community of selling on Amazon, then this is the place to be. If you click on the link below and download your free book, your free ebook, you'll learn quite a lot from just that. But what's even best, which is what really attracted me, was being able to join for just $1, one Aussie dollar. And then for a whole month, I got to have a look at the whole education that was provided. And I learnt, even in 30 days, I learnt enough not to go and sell online, because it takes a bit more time than that if you're doing other things as well. But it was it's so informative that I thought this is the place. So if you do step by step by step, you can actually be a winner. You can be successful at this. So click on the link below to get your free ebook, and then also click on the link below to join for $1, and you get to try for 30 days. And it is a really, really good offer, I thought, because it's what helped me get here. And it's what allows me to share with my family more than just peanuts. All right. Thank you. I'll see you in the community, which is awesome.